Welcome back to our channel. We'll be highlighting the top accessories for the year 2023 that can enhance your driving experience and make your Tesla Model X even more versatile. Let's dive right in. Starting off our list is a must-have accessory for any Tesla owner: Tesla jack pads. These specially designed jack pads are crucial for maintaining the integrity of your Model X's battery and undercarriage. They provide a secure and stable lifting point when you need to jack up your car for tire rotations, maintenance, or repairs. By using Tesla jack pads, you can avoid any potential damage to your battery and ensure a safe lifting process. Next up, we have a simple yet essential accessory: screen protector. The touchscreen display in your Model X is the command center for various functions, from controlling the infotainment system to adjusting vehicle settings. A high-quality screen protector offers an added layer of protection against scratches, smudges, and fingerprints, helping to keep your display looking pristine and responsive for a long time. Now, let's talk about the Tesla Mobile Charger Kit. This comprehensive kit is a must-have for every Tesla owner. It includes a portable charger and adapters for different types of outlets, allowing you to charge your Model X wherever you are. Whether you're on a road trip or staying at a friend's house, the Tesla Mobile Charger Kit ensures that you're always prepared and can conveniently charge your vehicle. No one wants to be stranded with a dead auxiliary battery, which is why a jump starter is an essential accessory to have. With a compact and powerful jump starter, you can easily revive any car without needing another vehicle for a jump start. Additionally, many jump starters also function as portable power banks, allowing you to charge your other electronic devices on the go. Keeping your Model X's interior clean and well-maintained is made easier with custom-fit floor mats. These mats are designed to perfectly match the contours of your vehicle's floor, providing protection against dirt, spills, and wear. Not only do they keep your car's carpet in excellent condition, but they also add a touch of style to the interior. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, a bike rack allows you to securely transport bicycles on the back of your vehicle. With the right bike rack, you can safely take your bikes on road trips, weekend getaways, or cycling adventures without worrying about potential damage to your Model X or the bicycles themselves. Flat tires can happen at any time, and having a portable tire inflator can be a real lifesaver. This compact device allows you to inflate your tires on the spot without having to rely on finding a gas station or calling for assistance. It's a convenient accessory to have for emergencies and ensures that you're always ready to get back on the road. An SSD with a minimum capacity of 1 terabyte is necessary for a Tesla Model X. It provides fast data access, ample storage space for essential mode footage and games, and offers enhanced durability for use in a vehicle. Last but not least, we have the glass roof sunshade. The glass roof sunshade is designed to regulate the temperature inside your Model X while protecting the interior from harmful UV rays. It effectively blocks out excessive sunlight, reducing heat buildup and making your drives more comfortable, especially during hot summer days. Installing a sunshade is quick and easy, and it helps preserve the condition of your vehicle's interior. And that wraps up our list of the top Tesla Model X accessories for 2023. We would like to mention that the products we have discussed have been carefully selected through extensive research to ensure that we offer you the best options in terms of quality and price. Don't forget to refer to the description below for links to these accessories. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more car-related content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.